In the 1980s, American scientists identified a spectrum of light that resonates with human cells. They called it terahertz waves. Since they can correct the vibration of human cells, terahertz waves are the most beneficial light waves for the human body and are known as the light of life. Scientific studies have shown that terahertz waves, by resonating with human cells, activate the elimination of toxins from the body, reduce the effects of aging, energize damaged cells, and initiate cellular repair processes. Applied in phototherapy, terahertz waves are recognized by the World Health Organization as a safe and non-invasive option for preventing and treating diseases. But how can we access these powerful waves, typically found only in high-tech laboratories in the United States, to improve our health from home? Introducing Vpower, the first portable photothermal physiotherapy device capable of producing terahertz waves. In addition to the inherent benefits of terahertz waves, Vpower's phototherapy helps accelerating the body's regenerative process, improving microcirculation, which can help reduce blood pressure, increasing nitric oxide levels, which reduces inflammation in veins and arteries, prevents the formation of thrombi, and improves the health of the nervous system, memory, and learning. Balancing the body's pH, which mitigates joint pain and enhances skin quality and beauty. Using it is as simple as turning it on, placing it near the skin, and adjusting the distance and speed for your comfort. Contact us today to feel and experience the vitality of the light of life from Vpower free of cost.